up guys, Captain Harrison coming at you once more. Right here I'm playing Demolition on Nuketown 24/7. Yeah, you heard me. Nuketown 24/7. Yeah. Double XP weekend. Kinda just racing with NPL here. I kinda came in late on this game though, but it was they only had destroyed bees, so it was good. Yeah, you see me defuse and see double XP right there. And I get 9 per turn. But this has probably gonna be the best gameplay I've put on in a while. Look, just gonna enter. Wham! Shazam! Yep. I don't know. Funny times. Demolition, man, just loving it when you can. Look at this guy just walking right by me. Well, you know what? I don't know why I didn't kill him. But oh well. It's a great gameplay right here. Love it. And I'm still trying to get y'all that one, still trying to get that creative class video where I have all my favorite classes and stuff. Still trying to get that level 44. You know what I mean? You should know what I mean by man. But, yeah. Yeah, but this, I swear, this NPO with rapid fire, it just straight up kills. I don't know what it is. It just owns little girl. Oh, look, there's the gun I'm talking about. Oh, look at this beauty. Look at this. Oh, here we go. Crazy part was, this is like, what level was I in? Level 37. Third prestige at this point. Now I'm like, I think a 41. And it's just the next morning. So, double XP is pretty cool. Loving it. So what should we talk about? Well, let's see, in the comments, what could you put today? Let's see, we've got favorite, let's do kill streaks. Put your favorite kill streak setup. I don't care if it's low, high, mid, on. Let me put one more thing. What else should we? Oh, put crossbow or ballistic knife. Which do you prefer? It's kind of a long video. I might have to do it in parts because it's like super long. It's like 23 minutes. Crazy. Look at that headshot. Look at that beating challenges game. See, ranking up is so easy on this game. People complain about it. Oh, RCXP, not again. Uh-oh, look at that situation. Oh, look at this, Oh. The thing about perks were like lightweight and marathon and takes light man. Oh, I died from RCXD. You know what, you hate that. Let's see. I got stuck. What's this guy doing? Teabag or something? Yep, I definitely died. Random frag. Well, syntax, if you want to get technical with it. I'm thinking about starting something else on this Call of Duty stuff. I don't know how I didn't kill him. Kind of failure. Oh, by the way, I wasn't sure if some of y'all were wondering, but the camera's Flora. It looks sick in this one. I don't. Look at that. I picked up a gun somehow. I didn't even mean to. Trying to defuse it. Look at that. That's how you level up, boys and girls. I'm so used to flat jackets, so I'm not. I'll sit there with a grenade. Look at that headshot. I get a lot of headshots. Defusing. Oh, will he get it? He gets it. What is that? My third defuse already? Dude, that's just 3,000, just like that. It's so easy. I don't know how he didn't die. Came back out fine. killed that guy so many times. It's not funny. See me use my claymores and dying. Look at that. Still get the kill. Ah. Dead. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bam. See, I told you I didn't come in that late. Yeah, here they show the final kill. What to do? What to do? Let's fast forward. Here we go. Now here's where you level up. The plant. I kind of stay at A. I don't ever go to B. I hate B. I don't know why. I just don't like it. Look at this. This is why you check your corners. Alright, here I just bring out the ghost class and take out the chopper off. Attempt to take out the chopper gunner. Put it that way. Yeah, don't worry. I'll pull off a shot in a second. Oh, nope, not today, not today. Let's try next. Get one in. Oh yeah. Now let's get the second one. Bam, look at 1,000 for taking down a simple helicopter. Well, I wouldn't say simple, but you get the idea. Here, I'm changing my class back because I don't want to use the M16 today. Nothing against the M16 though. Nothing at all. Yep, see, my MPO's back. Love this gun. Now I have a tactical insertion on this class, so I can like use in these kind of game modes. No, I'm like, screw you, Center. I don't know about if y'all saw that, but the way he was holding that gun looked like a shotgun. It was kind of cool. Yeah, it's not a big gas. Aw, I thought I was gonna kill him. Enemy high. That's not cool. Look at that point. Oh, 1,200 points. That's a level up, boys, girl. If you can't tell, I'm all into leveling up, so I just love it. That's why prestige and prestige. And probably once I get to 14, because I'm not going 15, I'll probably just make an account and play around. Look at that fail. Look at that, I'm just owning right there. Or I get knocked in the back. But I got a napalm. Fire! Fire! Oh, it's 5.2. Oh, I think I got a triple that thing. I'm not sure though. Probably not. I'm not that lucky with me. This part's a little boring, I think. Kind of fail a lot. I don't even know why I went for the care package. That guy killed himself with his own care package. What a failure. Dude, I felt drunk there. I was seeing like 2 people. Bam. What can we talk about for the remainder? Oh, wait, I think I'm gonna have to call this. I'm gonna have to end this guy soon for part 2 to come along. I gotta get this kill. Gotta get this kill, guys. Gotta get this kill. Oh my god. Well, I tried. Yes. Alright, well, I'm gonna call it a day.